Try my lemon parm chicken gnocchi recipe for a delicious and fresh dinner idea. Preheat your oven and pat down your chicken. Drizzle with olive oil and sprinkle with your favorite seasoning. Repeat on both sides and then place it in your preheated oven to cook fully. You can use pre-made gnocchi for this, but I'm making my own by combining flour and mashed potatoes in a bowl to make a crumb and then adding an egg and olive oil. Combining everything together until shaggy and then transferring to a very floured surface. I'm gonna knead this dough a few times, not to make it too tough, keep it nice and light, and then cut it into 4 pieces. You want the dough to be nice and tacky, but not sticky. Roll out each piece of dough into a rope which has 3/4 inch in diameter and then cutting out 3/4 inch to 1 inch pieces of dough. You want to roll them on the back of a fork to give them that signature shape and then letting them dry on a floured surface. To make the sauce, combine the olive oil and the butter in a large skillet on medium heat. When your butter is nice and foamy, add your garlic and cook for a few minutes. Add the chicken stock and the cream with a little bit of salt and then add in your gnocchi. Oops, I forgot the lemon juice. Add the lemon juice too and some freshly cracked pepper. Place the lid on the skillet and cook on low for 2 to 3 minutes to cook the gnocchi and the sauce to thicken up. Take off the heat and grate in your Parmesan cheese and you're ready to serve. Slice a chicken breast and place it on top of the gnocchi and serve it with some green beans and some fresh parsley. Find the full recipe at FrenchKissCook.com. Click on the icon to subscribe to our channel and on the video for more recipes.